Are Christians of various denominations able to reach oneness through Jesus Christ? Welcome to Pangaia Institute. There is only one Christian faith, which is the faith in one God. There is only one Jesus Christ, an intermediate medium to God for every Christian. There is no such thing as Catholic faith, Orthodox faith, Protestant faith, or special faith of any other denominations. The faith of every Christian is called Christianity. The divisions among the churches are merely political and the results of the mutual struggles for the followers. Jesus Christ never agreed with the divisions among the apostles, which also implies to the divisions among the churches. Church is an institution for delivering spiritual service, not God itself, nor Jesus Christ itself. Jesus Christ is Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end of Christian faith in one God. There is only one path to God for a Christian, and Jesus Christ is the ultimate teacher. There is no Christianity without Jesus Christ. There cannot be any disagreement between two Christians of different denominations, if they sincerely believe in God and respect Jesus Christ. Do you like? Show it. Earth citizens, your next step. Thanks for watching.